Welcome all. Now we are going to discuss the lemma 7.1. The statement is, let X be a linear space over C. Regarding X as a linear space over R, consider a real linear functional u from X to R and define f of x equal to u of x minus I into u of ix for every x element of x. Then f is a complex linear functional on x. Okay. So this lemma says that we can define a complex linear functional using a real linear functional. Okay. Now let's take a look at the proof. Given x is a linear space over C and u from x to R is a real linear functional, that is u of kx plus y is equal to k into u of x plus u of y for every k element of R and for all xy element of x. That is, we can take outside the real constants. Okay, that is called real linear functional. So we have to prove that the function defined by f of x is equal to u of x minus I into u of ix for every x element of x is complex linear. Okay, and since u is real linear, it is very clear that f is also real linear. The proof is as follows. For x comma y element of capital X and k element of R, we can clearly see that f of kx plus y is equal to k into f of x plus f of y. In that steps, we have used the result that u is real linear. Okay. That is f of kx plus y is equal to u of kx plus y minus I into u of I into kx plus y. And since u is u is real linear, we can take outside the real number k, that is k into u of x plus u of y minus I into u of kix plus iy. And in the next step, we can take outside the real number k again, and we obtain the required result as k into f of x plus f of y after a few steps. Okay, that is, since u is real linear, f is also real linear. Now we are going to show that f of ix is equal to I into f of x. Okay, that is also very clear that f of ix is equal to u of ix minus I into u of I into ix. And by some simplifications, we can clearly see that that is nothing but equal to I into f of x. So f of ix is equal to I into f of x for every x element of x. And using these two facts, that f is real linear and f of ix is equal to I into f of x, we can see that for any complex constants k, f of kx plus y is equal to k into f of x plus f of y. That is, f is complex linear also. Okay, choosing k element of C, we can write k as k1 plus I k2, where k1 and k2 are real numbers. And substituting that, we can see that f of kx plus y is equal to k into f of x plus f of y for every x comma y element of capital X and for every k element of C. This shows that f is a complex linear functional on capital X. Thank you.